I think the most unique thing and the thing that I love the most is the real strong sense of community here. Well, San Luis Obispo is pretty much smack dab between Los Angeles and San Francisco, right on the Central Coast. One of my favorite things to do, especially in the summertime, is Friday music in the Mission Plaza, where you can come out and join with your community and listen to a great band and have a glass of wine and just have the best time ever. So one of the highlights of the town that everyone goes to visit is Bubblegum Alley. It's an alley just full of bubblegum. It sounds disgusting, and it is, but it's also pretty fun. San Luis Obispo is a very welcoming city, and we have lots of events to celebrate all the different aspects of our community. Also, just really being yourself here. I think that it's a place where you can come and not just relax, but really relax into yourself. And so we invite you to come to San Luis Obispo and do just that.